Hello, Mrs. Bigham. I'm going to give you a tour of my Weebly website. So obviously, I'm an engineer, so some of the stuff didn't exactly apply to my Weebly website, but I tried to make the best modifications that I could. But this is the homepage. It's me. This is a pretty cool picture of a jellyfish, and this is the About Me page. It just talks a little bit about who I am, where I went to school, what I like doing, family, and like where I've traveled, because I like traveling a lot. This is a picture of me and my sister and my dad in Hawaii, and a little quote that says, "Family is not an important thing, it's everything," which I'm a big family guy, so I like that quote. And on this website, it also talks about my engineering experience. So I put a design report that we did this year that was pretty good. It's a report talking about a piston that we had to design for an engineering class. There's a lot of like math that went into this and a lot of computer simulation, but this whole report's like 15 or 16 pages that talks about the piston design. So it displays like what I can do on an academic level, I guess. So yeah. And then another design project that we worked on, I think our sophomore year, was a design project. We made a hunting blind, and I thought it would be cool to put the like design aspects that we made on the website. That displayed skills pretty well. Under the engineering experience, there's a resume tab, and there is my resume in this little screen. So if anyone wants to contact me or looks at the website, they can, which is in the contact tab, but I'll get to that later. And so there was a section where you ask for links to like other stuff. So I thought the best thing I could do is put my personal learning network. These are a bunch of links to websites that have helped me through school, and I still look at like whenever I'm bored or just want to get interested into something. So I decided to put them here. Thought it could be helpful if someone were to look at my website. So this is my philosophy on technology. I personally did a philosophy on technology and engineering because writing one for teaching isn't exactly applicable to me. So I talked about what my philosophy on technology and engineering was. It says basically I want to embrace technology as much as possible because engineering is all based off of technology. And if we don't embrace technology, then no innovation will be made and engineering as a whole will remain stagnant. So that was pretty much it. And it also says that I could be a lot more productive if I use technology in the right way and stay organized. Yeah, so that was a big point about it. And the last tab that I have here is the contact tab. So if like an employer sees this and wants to get in touch with me, they can put their name and their email and maybe their phone number in the comments box. Or they could just text me or send me an email to my not union school address. But yep, this is my Weebly webpage, and I hope you liked it.